Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get your username and password in cPanel for Namecheap. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net, and get started logging into your account in the upper right corner if you have not already, so you can register for a new account if you don't already have one. And after logging in, you'll be able to go ahead and open up your cPanel dashboard that looks like this, where you can find your file manager, you have your databases, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, as you can see in this official namecheap.com article right here, we can take a look at how we can log in to our cPanel hosting account on Namecheap. We can follow the steps right here. First and first guys, you're going to go to cPanel and then you can sign into your Namecheap account. So first go ahead and sign into your Namecheap account, then select the hosting link list menu in the bar on the left that's going to appear. So the left side of the screen, go ahead and open up hosting links. There you can go ahead and find cPanel and go to cPanel button. So this button is going to take you to cPanel. Then you can follow the rest of the steps right here, where you can get started with managing your options and your hosting options, and then you can get started with logging into your cPanel account using your info and your domains that you have. So just follow the steps right here. If you need any more help, you can go ahead and find this article on how to get started with logging into your cPanel hosting account on the Namecheap, and you'll be able to enter in all the info that you need and get started with accessing your cPanel database. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.